Welcome back to Tsoy Studio, where we bring you the latest tech tips and tricks. I'm your host, Tsoy, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to ensure Facebook account security. A detailed step-by-step guide. With the ever-evolving digital landscape, protecting your online presence is more important than ever. Join us as we break down the essential steps to safeguard your Facebook account from potential threats, right here on Tsoy Studio. Whether you're a social media enthusiast or just getting started, this comprehensive guide will empower you to take control of your online security. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest insights. Let's jump right in. How to ensure Facebook account security. A detailed step-by-step guide. Welcome to this guide on how to secure your Facebook account and protect yourself from hacking attempts. In today's digital age, safeguarding your personal information is crucial. Follow these steps to enhance your account security. Step 1. Strong password. Begin by creating a strong, unique password for your Facebook account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or names. Step 2. Two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This requires a second piece of information, like a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Step 3. Review account activity. Regularly review your account activity to spot any suspicious logins. Facebook provides an activity log where you can monitor your recent actions. Step 4. Trusted contacts. Set up trusted contacts in case you get locked out of your account. These friends can help you regain access if needed. Step 5. App permissions. Be cautious when granting permissions to third-party apps. Only allow access to apps you trust. Step 6. Privacy settings. Adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your posts, friend requests, and personal information. Limit the visibility to only those you know. Step 7. Phishing awareness. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages asking for your login information. Legitimate companies will never ask for sensitive data through email. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the security of your Facebook account, reducing the risk of hacking and unauthorized access. Staying vigilant and proactive is key to protecting your online presence. Disclaimer: this guide is for educational purposes only. It's important to use your knowledge ethically and within the boundaries of the law. Please note that this script is for educational and informational purposes only, promoting ethical and legal use of technology. It's important to always follow the terms of service and community guidelines of any platform you use.